Coffee roasting is the process of transforming green coffee beans into the brown, aromatic beans that we are familiar with. Roasting is an important step in coffee production that affects the taste, aroma, and texture of the final product. The basic steps involved in coffee roasting are as follows. 1. Selection of green coffee beans. The first step in coffee roasting is the selection of green coffee beans. High-quality beans are selected based on factors such as origin, variety, altitude, and processing method. 2. Loading the beans into the roaster. The green coffee beans are loaded into a coffee roaster, which is a machine that applies heat to the beans. 3. Roasting. The roasting process involves heating the green coffee beans to a temperature of around 180 to 240 degrees Celsius. As the beans heat up, they undergo a series of chemical reactions that result in the development of flavors, aromas, and colors. The length of time and temperature of the roast can affect the final product's characteristics. 4. Cooling. After the desired roast level is achieved, the beans are quickly cooled to prevent further cooking and to lock in the desired flavors and aromas. 5. Packaging and distribution. Once the coffee beans have been roasted and cooled, they are ready for packaging and distribution. There are different roast levels that coffee can be roasted to, including light, medium, and dark roast. Each roast level produces different flavors and aromas in the coffee. Light roasts have a lighter body and acidity, with floral and fruity notes. Medium roasts have a balanced flavor and acidity, with notes of chocolate and nuts. Dark roasts have a heavier body and low acidity, with notes of caramel and chocolate. In summary, coffee roasting is a complex process that transforms green coffee beans into the familiar brown beans that we all love. The roast level determines the flavor and aroma of the final product, and there are different types of coffee roasts to suit different preferences.